Yes, welcome back, guys. So I'm going to be discussing a very important topic, which is risk management. Now, this is another highly requested video that I've been getting on being able to calculate the lot size. Now, for those of you that already know how to calculate lot sizes, I'll still recommend for you to stick around because I'm going to be going into a lot more detail than just a basic overview of the applications to use. Now, I'm going to be going over 3 different ways you guys can personally calculate the lot sizes so it can suit your needs and your trading style. Now, the first way I'm going to be going over is calculating lot sizes manually. So that's just using a formula and doing a bit of mental maths to be able to calculate the lot size on the spot. Then I'll go over to a website which you can use to simply input all your values, your stop loss, your entry to get a lot size there. Lastly, I'll go over an indicator you can apply to your MetaTrader terminal to be able to calculate the lot sizes much more smoothly and easily, which is something I recommend and I personally do. Right, so the first method I'm going to be teaching you guys is how to calculate the lot sizes manually. So that will just require a bit of mental maths. So if you go over to the 5-minute time frame and you're looking to take entries, let's say right about over here. So if I use my position tool over here, and let's say I've entered here and my stop loss is just above these highs. So let's just say 15 pips to make it nice and round. So right over here. And let's not focus on the take profit because that's not really relevant to calculating the lot size. So the first thing you want to do is figure out how much is it that you're willing to risk on this trade. So if an instant price goes against you, how much will you be losing on that trade? So let's just say you have a 50k prop firm account and you're willing to risk 2% on that account. So all you would want to do is figure out how much you're risking, which will be £1,000 or $1,000. So once you figured out you're risking $1,000, you then want to figure out your pip size of your stop loss. So in this example, it's 15 pips. So it's quite simple from there onwards. All you want to calculate is your risk. Then you want to divide your risk, which is $1,000 in this case, by the amount of pips you're going to be risking, which is 15. And then you just want to divide that by 10. And so your lot size is going to be 6.666. So in this instant, I'll just do a lot size of 6.5, just a nice good number. And that's as simple as that. So when you are in the live markets and you're right, this is how I'm going to be laying out my position tool, and I'm going to be targeting this daily level over here with my stop loss just above 15 pips. Just divide your risk by the amount of pips you're willing to risk, and then just divide that by 10. To give you guys another example of how to calculate it manually, just to clear up the concept a bit better. Again, let's say you're looking to take sells at the close of this bearish candle with your stops on this level right over here, and you're targeting wherever you're targeting. So the first thing you want to figure out is how much you're risking, the monetary value. So let's say in this instant, we're risking £250, just a random number. So you'd want to do, I'm risking $250, and then you'd want to divide that by the amount of pips you're risking, which in this case is 21 pips. And then you want to divide that by 10. So here you would place a lot size of 1.2, and that's as simple and as quick as that. Now another method which is a bit easier and doesn't require any sort of mental maths is just going onto the internet, writing baby pips lot size calculator, and it'll be this first one where it says position size calculator babypips.com. Once you come on over to here, you can select the account currency. So if it's in dollars, you can type in the account balance. So in the example I gave you, it was $50,000, and then we was risking 2%, and our stop loss was 15 pips, and was doing it on Euro USD. If we calculate it again, like I said, it was 6.6 pips. So it will give you the same answer regardless of what method you're using. It just depends on what you find comfortable and what suits you. Some people need to be able to calculate their lot size very quickly because they're a scalper and they need to know instantly, and a bit of mental maths may help them. But if you're more of a slow chill trader where you're taking swing trades, then you can easily come on over to babypips.com and calculate your lot size by inputting all the values over here. Now the last way to calculate your lot size is a way that I personally use as well, and I'll definitely recommend to you guys, is coming over to your MT4 terminal over here. And as you can see, I've already downloaded this lot size tool over here. So this is an indicator. All you need to do is input whether you're going to go short or long. So let's just take an example and say we're looking to go long, looking to go short right from over here. So if I just use this pending option and drag my white line to exactly where I'll be entering. So let's just say I've entered here on Euro USD. This is the same example I gave you guys on TradingView to calculate it manually. Then you just want to drag your stop loss to wherever you would like to place it. And in that instance, we said we would place it 21 pips away. So if you look at the bottom, if you just look on the right hand side of this horizontal red line, you can see the amount of pips away it is from your entry. So here it's around 21 pips. And then similarly, you can just click your take profit right over here and just drag wherever you'd want to take profit. This is not really relevant to calculating your lot sizes, but it's good to know your risk to reward. So once you've done that, you can input the amount of risk you're willing to risk. So in that instance, we said around 2%, and that 2% will equate to around 1.8k. So this is dependent on your own account. It will do it for you. So just by typing 2%, it will tell you the amount of risk that is in that account and the amount of lot sizes you will need to place. So in this instance, you will have to place 8.5 lots right over here with your stop over here to be risking around $1,800. So to be able to download this position size tool, it's very simple. Just go on over to the internet, and then you'd want to go on to Google and write MT4 lot size calculator, and then just write indicator with it. And then you can see right over here, you can see lot size calculator for MT4. As you scroll down, there would be a download link somewhere around here, right over here. So you can just download the MT4 lot size calculator here. As you click it, this is the file over here. Now, what you need to do is you'd want to drag this file into your MT4 terminal here. So it will be File, Open Data folder. Then you'd want to go into QLM4, then into Experts, and you just want to drag it here. As you can see, I've already done it. It says position sizer right over here. Once you've done that, you can then shut your MT4 terminal down so it refreshes, open it back up again, right? And then you come over to your MT4 terminal over here. Then you go on View, Navigator. Then over here on Indicators, you can see it says Expert Advisor. Once you open that, you can just drag this position size right onto your chart over here. So just click and hold and drag it here, and then it'll just pop up right here for you. And that way you can calculate your lot sizes right on your MT4 terminal. And this also works for MT5 as well. And so it'll be very easy, and there'll be no mental maths needed, and very quick to do, which is exactly what I do over here. So anyways, that was just a quick rundown of the 3 different methods you can use to calculate the lot size for your trading. Now I hope you guys did enjoy that video and found it informative. If you did, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and drop down any further comments of any other videos you'd like to see, and I'll be sure to see you guys next time.